Hi, I'm May. I'm in grade 7A at EIS, and my topic for today is solving equations where the pronumerals are on both sides. So the first equation is 9x plus 6 is equal to 8x plus 9. So here I drew 3 balancing scales where I wrote the equations in. The first step is to take the smaller number in front of x and subtract that from both sides of the balancing scale. Here the number is 8, so you just simply subtract 8x from both sides. The answer will be x plus 6 is equal to 9. Now you take the smaller number again, here it's 6, and because there's a plus sign in front of 6, you have to subtract that number from both sides again. After that, you'll have the answer already. The answer is x is equal to 3. So let's try it without the balancing scales now. The equation is 9q plus 5 is equal to 10q minus 3. The smaller number in front of q is 9, so you'd subtract 9q from both sides. The answer will be 5 is equal to q minus 3. Now you take the smaller number here, which is 3, and because it has a minus sign in front of it, you have to add it. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to q. And because q has to be in front, you just simply turn it around. So this equation is a little bit different than the others. The first two had numbers in front of x that were only one number apart. But here, 5 and 3 are two numbers apart. This makes it a little bit trickier, and because this equation requires more steps, I drew 4 balancing scales. So first, of course, I wrote in the equation in the first balancing scale. Then again, I took the smaller number in front of m and subtracted that from both sides. So I subtracted 3m from both sides of the balancing scale. The answer will be 2m plus 2 is equal to 8. Now we take the smaller number here, which is 2, and because there's a plus sign in front of 2, we subtract that number from both sides. The answer will be 2m is equal to 6. Now comes the part that is different from the others. You have to divide both sides by the number in front of m. So here you divide both sides by 2. Only then you get the answer. The answer is m is equal to 3. So now let's try that again, but without the balancing scales. So the smaller number here is 1y, or just y. So you minus y from both sides. You'll get 4y minus 4 is equal to 12. Now you take 4 because it's a smaller number, and because there is a minus sign in front of it, you have to add it to both sides. And then you'll get 4y is equal to 16. Now you have to divide both sides by 4, because 4 is the number in front of y. And then you have your answer. Y is equal to 4. So this is a real-life example. Khan, the first snake, weighs 3 kilograms. Joe, the second snake, weighs 5 kilograms. Their owner gives Khan 6 mice and Joe 2 mice to eat. All the mice were the same weight. After the meal, they both weighed exactly the same. How heavy was one mouse? So first, Khan is 6 mice. Let M equal the weight of mice. So 6M plus 3, which is her weight, and Joe ate 2 mice, so 2M plus 5, which is his weight. So first, you subtract 2M from both sides because 2M is the smaller number, and you'll get 4M plus 3 is equal to 5. Then you subtract 3 from both sides because 3 is a smaller number and there is a plus sign in front of the 3, so you subtract it, and you'll get 4M is equal to 2. Now you have to divide both sides by 4 because 4 is the number in front of M. The answer is 1 mouse weighs 0.5 kilograms. Thanks for stopping by!